Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Escape door code. First, you will need to locate your vehicle's unique 5-digit factory code. This essential code is typically found on a white sticker, often located in your owner's manual or on a panel inside the vehicle, such as near the fuse box or under the dashboard. Having this original code is the crucial first step to personalizing your entry. Once you have your factory code, head to your Ford Escape's exterior door keypad. Carefully enter the 5-digit factory code you just located. After entering the last digit, you must press the 1-2 button on the keypad within 5 seconds. This action signals to the vehicle that you are initiating the programming sequence for a new personal code. Now it's time to create your own personalized entry code. Immediately after pressing the 1-2 button, enter your new 5-digit code. Remember, you need to press each number within 5 seconds of the previous one to keep the programming active. Choose a code that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess, enhancing your vehicle's security. To finalize the process and save your new personal code, press the 1-2 button on the keypad one more time. You should hear the vehicle's doors lock and then unlock, confirming that your new code has been successfully programmed. Always test your new 5-digit code immediately to ensure it works perfectly before relying on it for entry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.